Kajabi, Voxer, Calendly, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, social media marketing, text message marketing, emailing platforms. If you're a coach, there are so many options out there that I know it can be complicated to choose the best one. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm gonna give you my top recommendations for knowing what platform to use to get your coaching business off the ground. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get started from the top of your business. You do not have a business if you do not have people inside your business. So how are you going to attract new consumers, potential clients into your business, to know that you're an expert and to recognize you as somebody that they should invest in? Hands down, I recommend YouTube. You need YouTube because it's a search platform. So whether you're a health coach, financial coach, fitness coach, social media coach, business coach, I mean, what else is there out there? There's a lot of types of coaching, but no matter what type of coaching you are, if somebody is already typing in something, chances are they're already looking for you. Okay, this is very different than you going out to search for clients. Okay, this works the opposite way. People are actually searching for you. So let's say you're a fitness coach and somebody is putting in, hey, what should my workout routine be if I want to build more muscle? What should I be eating? And then they search it on YouTube because it's a searchable platform and they land on you. They see that you're an expert. They see that you're talking about the subject and you know what you're talking about. They're already going to become part of your community and want to learn more about your business. Now, let's take a different type of coaching because you might still be like, Laura, it's fitness. It's not what I do. Let's take a health coach, okay? So for example, you're a health coach or maybe a functional health coach to make it even more niche and specific. So the person is looking for, how do I know if my hormones are balanced, or I want to find a natural way to cure my symptoms for this and this while they're searching it. And then you show up as an expert already talking about how to cure this naturally, which is exactly what they're looking for. So if you can pinpoint what your audience is looking for, you can create videos about it on YouTube where they're already searching for it and you become known as the expert. Therefore, you have more people rolling into your business. I'm starting off with this top tool because none of the rest matter if you don't even have people inside your community that want to buy from you. You can have the most expensive tools, the best in the market, but if there's nobody coming in and asking about your business, there's really no reason why you should even have those tools, okay? So besides YouTube, I recommend YouTube and then a platform of your choice that brings out the reach and that builds your community. This can be Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all right? Clubhouse. How can I forget about Clubhouse? You choose, okay? Choose your platform. Use YouTube to bring in that audience. The other one creates your community, and then you have people interested in your business. So check, we have people interested in our business. What's the next thing that we need as a coach? You got it, emails, okay? You need to be sending out emails because this keeps people inside your community. It keeps them on the loop of what's going on and it keeps popping your name up in their head, therefore reminding them that you exist, that your business exists, and that your coaching services are available for them whenever they want to take action. For this, I recommend MailerLite. MailerLite is the ultimate platform for coaches, especially when you're starting off, but even if you're already years into the business, I recommend MailerLite. I truly believe that they have ultimate great features and it's a fraction of the cost compared to other mailing platforms. You can create landing pages, you can create your website in there. Of course, automations, tags, all that good stuff that any mailing software needs to have in order for you to constantly be sending out emails and in order for you to have funnels going on automatic from the people that are joining from YouTube. So MailerLite is 100% recommended. You can have the link down below in the description. I'm going to link everything that I'm talking about. And if you're already looking into a mailing platform, if you have another mailing platform, this is the best moment to go ahead and make that switch over over to MailerLite because honestly, they have features that make it super quick and easy for you to be creating emails and for it not to be a hassle, which I know a lot of people complain about. So MailerLite 100% for emailing, check. Now what comes next? As a coach, you need to have a booking software. So you may be thinking, oh yeah, I use Calendly, but I have an even better solution, and that's Setmore. Setmore is honestly a great platform. It's what I use. I've tried a lot of them, and Setmore, you can accept payments for free. That means they can book your coaching sessions. You can have different products, okay? So for example, if you have a bundle of coaching sessions, you can sell it as a product. You can even add different team members, and this is all for free. Of course, they have different plans. For example, if you pay more, then it can sync with your calendar, vice versa. But if not, if you're starting off, start off with the free plan until you get in customers that provide you the money and the resources to pay for the premium account. It's going to show your customers a calendar where they can book. Guess what? You have video integrated. You can record your sessions, which is a super big bonus and a really good selling point for your consumers as well, where they can look back at your session, remember what you told them instead of writing down everything during your actual coaching session. They can pay attention. And then with the recording, they can go back and make sure that they're following all the steps that you shared. Automated reviews that go out as soon as your session is over. Like I already mentioned, accept the payments, calendar view. If you also want to sync your calendar so that it shows when you're available, you would pay the premium, but you can even add lunch breaks. You can set your calendar hours for the actual hours that you want to coach people. It's honestly such a good platform, and it's a platform that honestly gets overlooked because there are other main competitors that are bigger. Yes, they are bigger out there. More people talk about them, but this one has amazing features. Oh, I almost forgot this. This is absolutely amazing. I can't believe I almost forgot about this. With Setmore, you can add the book now to your Instagram profile. This is huge. They are integrated with Instagram, so therefore, if you do have a business account on Instagram, you can automatically add that book now button, and it makes it a lot easier for your potential clients to book automatically without having to go to a website, to a link. It's just a button, book your services, pay on the spot, and you're good to go. Okay, so booking, check. Now, on to the next part of our coaching business, which is your website. So this is optional, and I left this for kind of at the bottom of the chain because you don't need a website to start off your coaching. As long as you are showing up on YouTube, you have your community where people can know what you're all about, where people can hear, understand, kind of validate that you know what you're talking about, that they like the way you explain things. You don't need a website. Let me repeat that. You don't need a website. You need a booking platform, which is going to be Setmore, where you can even add descriptions, your photo, say a little more about your services. Your website comes afterwards when your business is already off the ground and you have to invest in a website. Once you're there, you can either use MailerLite, which you already have included, or you can put a little more investment and use WordPress with Elementor to build your website. This is great, and this is where you're going to add more about your business, about reviews, okay? Obviously, you can't have a website if you don't have reviews. So this is why you wait until a little bit later to actually create your website, add on reviews of your previous customers, which you're getting on automatic from Setmore, so it works amazingly. So website, check. Now, before we go on, I want to make sure that you guys take advantage of the gift that I have downstairs in the comments and the description, because we are celebrating that we hit 3,000 subscribers right here on YouTube. So honestly, this is all thanks to you guys, to my YouTube family. So I wanted to create a gift, and that gift is downstairs below. So before we even continue this video, I want to make sure that you guys go downstairs, click on it, because I know you're going to absolutely love it. So it's downstairs. Now, on to the next point. As you advance in your business, obviously you're going to be adding on more tools. This is where TubeBuddy comes in, a paid subscription to Canva so that you're creating images faster and quicker, and obviously that look a lot better. This is where Sketch Social comes in so that you're automating your posts to Instagram. Hashtastic so that you're creating your hashtag sets quick on the go and it's automated for you. QuickBooks so that you're keeping all your finances in check and you're good to go when it comes to tax season and you know exactly what's going on the finance side of your business, okay? Those are great tools that I recommend. I'm going to link them down below. And those are tools that I recommend when you have a bit more momentum. Don't worry about adding and paying all the best subscriptions when you start off, when you don't even have clients. Remember, in order to have a business, you need to have clients. So before you even go on to the more advanced tools, get some clients through the door, get some money inside your bank account, and then go on to improve your tools. To start off, like I mentioned, you need to be putting people inside your business, contacting them through email, giving them a solution to book, and then having your website, which creates credibility and honestly, it showcases yourself to the world. Those are the basic things that you need to get your business off the ground and to become known and recognized as an expert coach in your industry. So there you have it. Take advantage of those tools. All the links are down below. And down below, you also have that gift that I made for you guys. Honestly, thank you for all the support you've given me. You guys are truly my YouTube family, and that's why if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and become part of this great family, and stay tuned on this same channel for even more value to transform your business. All right, talk to you soon. Bye bye.